When you hear NFT or non-fungible token, you also hear all this noise about how it's bad for the environment because of all the energy it takes to mine crypto and mint NFTs. But what if we tell you that not all crypto or blockchain and NFTs are bad? Welcome to 6ZeroCrypto, where you get your daily dose of knowledge for crypto. If you want to get the latest news on the cryptocurrency market, then smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Disclaimer: nothing in this video constitutes professional and/or financial advice. The sole objective of every piece of content on this channel is to promote discussion and sharing of information. Do your own independent research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions based on the information provided. This video is not sponsored by Algorand. The Algorand Network is built on an innovative, low power consumption, pure proof-of-stake consensus protocol, and that means that their carbon footprint is very small. We took a look at the Algorand Foundation website, where we can see their commitment to becoming carbon negative. The Algorand commitment is as follows. The Algorand ecosystem has come together and committed to go one step further to make our network fully carbon neutral. We have partnered with ClimateTrade, already a member of the Algorand ecosystem, to offset the low level of carbon produced by the Algorand Network and make Algorand the first carbon-neutral blockchain network. As part of this commitment, the Algorand community will ensure that the Algorand Network will remain carbon-neutral throughout the complete existence of the network. You will see us use the logo displayed here across our platforms to highlight our commitment to and support for sustainable blockchain development. However, that's not quite all. A key challenge for a network growing and scaling as quickly as Algorand is that we might grow quicker than our carbon neutrality plan. To guarantee that we'll always be carbon neutral, we are in fact going to commit to being carbon negative. Through our carbon offset plan with ClimateTrade, we are committing to always being ahead of the offset requirement of our growing network and will take more carbon out of the air than created by our energy footprint. Algorand is now one of the world's first carbon-negative Layer 1 public blockchains, if not the first. In addition to this, they've also included the following call to action for partners who also want to go green. Enterprises that wish to work with partners who are committed to a carbon-neutral approach can look at the Algorand Network as the optimal platform to create environmentally sound innovation. It is critical for the future, at scale, adoption of blockchain technology that our innovation doesn't have the drag of wasteful, high energy consumption for computation, consensus, and the negative environmental impact of a large carbon footprint. We believe that the Algorand ecosystem is already on this path to choosing a more sustainable approach to building blockchain innovation with partners such as PlanetWatch, ClimateTrade, GaiaChain, IUCN, and Global Carbon Holding. We would encourage any innovator or developer to build their sustainable innovation on the Algorand Network and where possible. We're excited to provide grant support to accelerate the delivery of these projects. Now, along with Algorand's commitment to be the first and only carbon-negative blockchain, they've implemented that by allowing users to mint carbon-negative NFTs on AlgoGems. Users can make free NFTs in AlgoGems, and here's how. First, create an Algorand wallet. Users can easily make a wallet at algorandwallet.com. Next, go to algogems.io/authenticate and verify your Algorand wallet to confirm that your wallet belongs to you. Third, create your NFT. Upload your photo that you would like to turn into an NFT. Next, edit your NFT description and be sure that the switch to mint for free is on. Number 5. Set the price of your NFT, and once sold, the earnings will go directly into your Algorand wallet. How does that sound? If you've made it all the way into this video, thank you. We're happy to have you here. Like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment to tell us what you think of this type of content. Thanks for watching. This has been 6ZeroCrypto.